Peer Participant, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल.
Sir was born on 21st April 1969 at Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. He has a rich educational background. Sir has done his schooling from Sainik School, Kapurthala in Punjab. He is an alumnus of National Defence Academy, Kharakwasia, and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He has been a brilliant student that is reflected in his degrees and courses. He is a Bachelor of Science, Masters of Science, and Masters of Philosophy. His professional and technical degrees include postgraduate diploma in human resource and development from St. Pius School. Sir has also achieved a distinction in UN and international understanding from Institute.
July 2018. He is a highly decorated officer who delegated various staff and instructional appointments at IM Dehradun, Defence Service Staff College Wellington, and also held the appointment in Lebanon with the United Nations Peacekeeping Forces. He has been awarded with Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, and the Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card for his distinguished services. Presently, Sir is Commandant 14 GTC and the Chairman of Army Public School, Daksha. Sir is known for his vision, commitment and dedication and is a true leader who inspires those around him. We believe that under his command, the school will prosper leaps and bounds with an environment where they can thrive academically and personally. We welcome you, sir.
We would also like to welcome our guest of honor, Mrs. Mona Singh. She is an educationist with more than 25 years of experience of teaching in some of the best schools in India. She is a postgraduate in history with a gold medal from Punjab University along with a B.Ed degree. In addition, she is a qualified fashion designer from Fashion Designing Institute, Delhi. She is also a qualified child psychologist. She has worked as an educator at St. Anne's, Chandigarh, Sophia School, Meerut, Bright Lands, Dehradun, and KV, Wellington. She is presently teaching senior classes at Sanskriti School, New Delhi since 2012. She has dedicated 25 years in the line of education.
Ma'am has deep interest in Indian history and art. She is associated with various organizations working towards spreading about our historical background. Her interests include reading, traveling, gardening, and painting. We gladly welcome you, ma'am. We would also like to welcome the other dignitaries and the guests.
Shubham Kaloti Kalyanam, Arogya Dhyan Sampanam, Veshpati Vinashaya, Deep Jyotir Namaste. हम ज्ञान की लौ जलाने और हमारे कार्यक्रम का आधिकारिक उद्घाटन करने के लिए हमारे विशिष्ट अतिथि श्रीमती मोना सिंह को दीप प्रज्वलन बेहद सम्मानित महसूस कर रहे हैं। अब हम प्रधानाचार्य जी से अनुरोध करेंगे कि वे श्रीमती मोना सिंह को दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए लेकर आए। जैसे ही दीपक प्रज्वलित किया जाता है, उसकी चमक आप में से प्रत्येक को छुए और हम सब में ज्ञान और समझ की अमर लौ जलाए। आओ कदम से कदम मिलाएं, मन के सब मतभेद मिटाएं। आओ कदम से कदम मिलाएं, मन के सब मतभेद मिटाएं। भेदभाव को दूर करें हम, समरसता के दीप जलाएं, समरसता के दीप जलाएं। मंजिल का मुसाफिर चलता रहेगा, आशा का सूरज निकलता रहेगा। मंजिल का मुसाफिर चलता रहेगा, बस आप खास मौके पर आते रहिए, आपकी प्रेरणा का दीपक जलता रहेगा। धन्यवाद महोदय।
morning, Tamanna.
Good morning, Krishna. And good morning
To one and all present here.
Krishna, do you know why have we all gathered here?
Yes, of course. Our school is celebrating the 38th Founders Day. How auspicious this day is.
Yes, but do you know that whenever we celebrate any special occasion, it is customary to begin with a tribute to Lord Ganesha.
Oh, really? Can you tell me more about it?
Lord Ganesha, also known as Vignaharta, is revered in Hindu tradition for his wisdom and guidance. It is believed that invoking his blessings at the start of any endeavor ensures success and harmony.
So why not to begin a special event of the school, Ganesh Vandana?
So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage the students with an expression of a profound reverence to the Lord in the form of Ganesh Vandana.
इस फोन में देखते हैं ऊपर।
Wow, that was a jolly performance. Wasn't that it?
Yes, indeed, Avdan. With the blessings of Lord Ganesha, the energy and grace of our dancers have truly captured the essence of a new beginning and the promise of a bright future.
Dear audience, as we gather here to reflect on the achievements, challenges, and progress of our school over the past year, we acknowledge the hard work and perseverance of our staff, students, and the whole community involved in it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to invite our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Ritamla Gai, to present the school report.
Distinguished guests, respected teachers, dear parents, and beloved students. Welcome to our 33rd, 38th Founders Day celebration. We are honored to have Brigadier Preetpal Singh, ABSN, VSN, Commandant 14 DPC, and Chairman of Army Public School Naksai as our chief guest. And I also welcome Mrs. Mona Singh, our guest of honor. Sir and ma'am, thank you so much for joining us despite your busy schedule. This event is a highlight of an academic year. celebrating our achievements, challenges, and growth. APS Lakshmi as a residential school fosters academic excellence and personal development, preparing the students for future success through discipline, independence, and time management. When I say in discipline, independence, and time management, that is the core value which we follow here in the school. Now, first of all, let me stress and share with you the academic excellence of the school. Our students have excelled with a 100% pass rate in class 10th and 12th board examination. And I'm glad to share that our academic performance index increased from 511 to 591 in 12th standard and 401 to 483 in 10th standard. Dear parents, teachers, I'm glad to share that we are first in Western Command as well as the API of English is concerned. Our notable achievements include Arman Thakur scored 96.2%, Urvashi scored 95.6%, and she scored 100 marks in political science as well. 95.4 in humanities, Raza Rizwan scored 92.4, Ananda Hall and Riskiran scored 92.20, and Anshu scored 91.80 in sciences. Anmol, who scored 96.6 and led the class 10th result of the school, followed by Aditya Kumar Tripathi with 92.42%, Vikrant Singh of class 10th scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics. Dear parents, beside academics, our students have excelled in co-curricular activities and sports. And our sports teams have got home several trophies, particularly in basketball. In Headquarter 2 Gold Command Level Basket, I am proud to announce that our senior boys basketball team performed exceptionally well in the inter-army school competitions. The school team defeated APS Patiala in the final to win Headquarter 2 Gold Basketball Tournament and qualified for the Command Inter-School Tournament as well. In the Command Level Tournament, we won all the matches comfortably and defeated APS Pathankot and lifted the Command Level Basketball Trophy after a gap of 5 years. We've been participating with IPSC as well. IPSC Basketball Under 14, Under 17 tournament held at last tournament. Our Under 14 boys team were the runners-ups. Ishan Verma, Himanshu Mishra, Vishak Thakur were selected for the School Games Federation of India National Basketball Tournament held in Chhattisgarh, whereas Priyanshu of class 11 Commerce and Manu Thankar of 12th Sciences competed in Under 95 USC Basketball Tournament at 67th National School Games in Patiala. Our Under 14 Basketball Boys team won All India Major Gatpal Memorial Basketball Tournament held at Pioneer School Bharati last year, and this year they were the runners-ups. Our teams also emerged victorious in the Divine Cup organized at St. Luke's School, Solon. Arnav Singh Kajal won Under 15 Boys double title at 2nd Raj Veerbhadra Singh Memorial All India Badminton Tournament held at Manvati. Our students have been participating in various karate competitions. They participated in 17th inter-school karate competition held at Solon Public School, securing 2nd and 3rd positions. In the Under 13 Boys State Level Football Tournament, 4 students were selected to represent district Solon in the State Level Football Tournament, which was held at Nadon District, Hampi. Not only this, ladies and gentlemen, our students have been excelling in inter-school competitions as well. Harkiran Singh Thilan received special mention at Genesis Element and as well as Lawrence School, Sanawat. Kushmeet Singh Saini was named the best speaker in the semi-finals and the first runner-up in the creative writing at J.K. Kate Knowledge Campaign at APS Maha. Harsh Sharma, Lamo won debate competition trophy and a cash prize of ₹500 at Gurukul International School, Solon. Our school won senior solo dance, senior English debate, junior painting competition and secured 2nd runner-up in the senior painting and group dance at Solon Public School Literary Fest. A big round of applause for all the students who have performed very, very well and have been working endlessly to secure the positions. cleared NDA written examination in September 2023, and this year, 2 more students have qualified for the NDA. Miss Kushmeet Saini of class 9, now in 10th standard, won a reward of 25,000 in the Universal Postal Union International Letter Writing Competition organized by the Postal Department. Abhinav Kumar of class 8 secured first place at the state level Mathematics Olympiad at 31st Children's Science Congress organized by Education Department of Himachal Pradesh. 3 students of our school received Kala Gaurav Award for painting, and 1 was awarded for the best handwriting at the national level painting and handwriting contest organized by Kala Bharati Child Art Development Institute, Pune. In the 14th International Painting Competition 2023, Rishabh Singh of class 8B made us proud. His painting on the theme Travel Diaries earned the special mention and is being featured in the ICS 2024 calendar. The 6th major Uday Singh Memorial Inter-School Quiz was successfully hosted by our school in last year. St. Mary Convent School Kasari emerged as the winners for the second year together. Ladies and gentlemen, I have pride in sharing with you that we came ranked number 1 for the most effective blended learning model in Himachal Pradesh by Education World's North India School Merit Award in 2023. Ranked number 5 and number 2 in Solar and Himachal Pradesh by India School Merit Award 2023 Education Today. Ranked number 1 in Himachal Pradesh and number 7 in India by the Education World True India Ranking 2023 for the best government schools. We have won the Brain Feed School Excellence Award 2024. Teachers training is a priority, and our teachers are continuously enhancing their skills through workshops and trainings, contributing significantly to the school's success. As we conclude this year's annual day report, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and most importantly, our incredible students. Without them, we would not have achieved what we have achieved today. Together, we have faced challenges, celebrated successes, and grown stronger as a community. I would also like to extend true appreciation to our esteemed alumni. Your continued support, involvement, and contribution have been invaluable to our school's growth and success. Your achievements and dedication inspire our current students to strive for the excellence and dream them. A big round of applause for our alumni. You have one sitting here in the front as well. Akpal Singh for gracing us with his presence, and extend my gratitude to the guest of honor, Mrs. Mona Singh, for being a part of this day with us. Let us carry forward the spirit of fervence and enthusiasm that has defined our journey this year. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Have been instrumental in the progress and achievements of the school. Our school's achievements in cultural events, sports and competitions have brought laurels to the schools, proving that they are well-rounded individuals ready to mark themselves in the world, just like a beloved country, India.
I agree with you, Varisha. Do you know, Varisha, how much our school has progressed after the G20 summit?
Definitely, Tanush. As we stand at the cusp of a new era, we reflect on India's monumental journey towards progress and envision the glorious future as we approach the year 2047. Our theme, Pragati Par, India's flight to infinity, captures the vision of the spirits, highlighting India's incredible surge towards growth, connection and prosperity.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's celebrate Pragati Parv with pride and enthusiasm, cherishing the achievements of past, embracing the opportunities of present, and looking forward for a future filled with pride and potential. Together, we can make the vision of progressive India a reality.
We made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes where we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or fully in measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and now I hand over the reins of this country to the next generation. When I visited the United States of America for the first time as the Prime Minister of India, India was the 10th largest economy in the world. And today, India is the 5th largest economy in the world. India is going to be the 3rd largest economy soon. I assure that India will compete among the developed nations in form of Viksit Bharat and become a superpower by 2047. Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Let's go for it!
जो मरना है तुझे मुझा परों को खोल के रख कसौटी वक्त की है हौसलों को तोल के रख अभी आगाज है तेरा बहुत कुछ सीखना है कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है मुट्ठी खींचना है अभी आगाज है तेरा बहुत कुछ सीखना है कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है मुट्ठी खींचना है भले हालात हो कैसे भी बस ये सोच ले तू यही है सच यही है राह बस अब जीतना है लिखूंगा खुद नई तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं रगों में खून के संग इस जुनून को खोल के रख कसौटी वक्त की है हौसलों को तोल के रख जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा पलों को खोल के रख कसौटी वक्त की है हौसलों को तोल के रख जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा पलों को खोल के रख तैयार हूँ दुश्मन के लिए जलकार हूँ अपने वतन का मैं पहरेदार हूँ पहरेदार हूँ वंदे मातरम वंदे
Hello, Jahanvi.
Hello, Louis, and hello, everyone. Louis, how are you doing?
I'm fine, but you seem to be lost. What happened?
I was lost in this mesmerizing performance. Wasn't it a burst of energy?
माइक देना चाहिए था ना
Hello, Khushmeet.
Hi, Kavika.
पीछे चला गया बिल्कुल वीडियो बनाने के आते बिल्कुल मूवी को लूट के वीडियो बनाने का पीछे चला गया खुद एक इज्जत बना।
Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Narayan, the CEO of Adobe Systems. Creativity is the heart of what we do here at Adobe. Through our suite of creativity and experience, we have the young businessmen and entrepreneurs of India who study and seek out their inner talent to create a digital first.
माइक गुम हो गया, माइक गुम हो गया।
Cheers to all. I'm Mr. Nathman, CEO of Starbucks. At Starbucks, we are not only creating great coffee, but also creating opportunities for farmers, empowering women, and fostering India and beyond. At last, I would say that coffee will shape the future of India. Happy drinking!
Hello everyone, I am Shravan
And I'm Sanjay, the CEOs of Good MN. Our journey began with a shared passion for technology and a desire to solve real-world problems.
inspired by the idea that even young minds can create impactful solutions using technology.
Good MN started as a small project which grew into something much larger as people started to realize the potential of our idea to make a difference. Let's together shape the future of India. Jai Hind!
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Malini Nair, CEO of Nykaa Fashion. I'm offering a platform for homegrown talent and international excellence. We at Nykaa contribute to India's economic growth by fostering entrepreneurship and promoting local craftsmanship. And that is why we say that your beauty is our passion. Truly inspiring insights from an esteemed panel of CEOs. Their leadership, innovation, and commitment to driving positive change aren't only transforming industries, but also shaping the future of India's economy and society.
CEOs such as Kiran Mazumdar of Baikan, Indra Nui of PepsiCo, Vibha Padalkar of HDFC Life are all from India, taking it to a new zenith.
Bravo! India's development is at a rapid pace, but not Ashok
जाओ जी, मन गीत कराओ जी, अरे क्यों तरसावे हो, मन सकल दिखाओ जी, थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी, हर सले मन पंगा दी मैं कह लगे, मर टुकड़े में ताकी तो करी, गंगा में पारी शांगनी मन दामन में पा, एक सीले झुम 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 झुम।
मनवार गरा मैं ताकि खाने घर आंगन ले जावा, दूर देश तू आया जाने चप्पल भोग जिमावा, मनवार गरा मैं ताकि खाने घर आंगन ले जावा, दूर देश तू आया जाने चप्पल भोग जिमावा, हाथा चुगला लाला काम ऊंचा खाना गाओ जय रंग रंगीली भाषा है और रंगीलों परिधान है, यहाँ मैं राजस्थान है, जुड़ा 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 मैं राजस्थान है।
लॉन्च किया गया था।
सर्वप्रथम भारत ने चंद्रयान 1 को सफलतापूर्वक लॉन्च किया था, जिसके बाद चंद्रयान 2 को लॉन्च किया गया, जो कि विफल रहा, परंतु हमने हिम्मत नहीं हारी।
और चंद्रयान 3 उसी चंद्रयान 2 की अगली कड़ी के रूप में लॉन्च किया गया, जिसकी सफलता ने पूरे विश्व में भारत का नाम रोशन किया।
चंद्रयान 3 चंद्रमा की सतह की तस्वीरें लेकर उसका अध्ययन करेगा
और इस मिशन का सफल होना हम सभी भारतवासियों के लिए एक गौरव का विषय है।
Keep on farm your thoughts LBM-3, rocket is ready. Scientists, please carry the rocket to Sriharikota, launch station for liftoff. I repeat, scientists, please carry the rocket to Sriharikota, launch station for liftoff. Rocket set up on launch pad. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition ready. The 23rd August, rocket landed on South Moon. A huge moment of victory for India.
नमस्कार भारतवासियों, मैं हूं माही APSD से। जैसा कि आपको पता है, चंद्रयान 3 सक्सेसफुली लैंड हो चुका है। हर तरफ है खुशी का माहौल है, सब बड़े उत्साह में है और ये भारत के लिए उन्नति का दिन है। तो आइए इसी उत्सव को जानने के लिए आपको ले चलते हैं अपने संवाददाता अदिति मलिक के पास, जो हमें यूपी की गलियों से लाइव कवरेज दे रही है। तो अदिति मलिक क्या आप हमें सुन पा रही है?
जी माहिर, मैं आपको सुन पा रही हूँ। हर तरफ बेहद खुशी का माहौल है। आप देख सकते हैं बच्चे किस तरह चिल्ला रहे हैं। देखिए बच्चे कितना खुश हैं। यहाँ और भी लोग मौजूद हैं। चलिए इनसे बात करते हैं। जैसा कि भी चंद्रयान चांद पर लैंड हुआ है और इस प्रोजेक्ट में महिलाओं का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है, आप इस पर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि आज के समय में महिलाएं अपना बराबरी का योगदान दे रही हैं और दुनिया को चांद तक पहुंचा रही हैं।
जैसे आपको चंद्रयान 3 के बारे में पता है?
Yes, I am very happy that Chandrayaan has landed on the moon.
अरे वाह, आप तो अंग्रेजी में बोल रहे हैं। आप बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहेंगे?
I want to become an astro scientist like Ritu Karida. She is known as Rocket Woman of India.
This shows that our country is changed. चाय की दुकान पर चुस्कियाँ मारते हुए वहाँ से पूछते हैं कि इन्हें चंद्रयान के बारे में कितना पता है।
हाँ, मैंने बस अभी चंद्रयान 3 के बारे में खबर पढ़ी है और ये हमारे लिए बहुत गर्व का विषय है।
तो जैसा कि माहिर जी आपने सुना, सभी हर्ष और उल्लास के साथ चंद्रयान 3 में कामयाब होने का जश्न मना रहे हैं। हम भी मिशन के कामयाब होने की बधाई देते हैं। मैं अदिति मलिक कैमरामैन अंश के साथ यूपी गले से लाइव कवरेज देती रहूँगी। इसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए चंद्रयान 3 कामयाबी पर भारतीय अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान केंद्र इसरो को बधाई देने आ रहे हैं EPS के कुछ नन्हे मुन्ने छात्र।
हम सबके लिए जो जाग रहे, बस साथ हमारा मांग रहे, विज्ञान से भारत सींच रहे, इतिहास के पन्ने छाप रहे। है सलाम तुझे इसरो, है सलाम तुझे इसरो, है सलाम तुझे इसरो, है सलाम तुझे इसरो। इसरो ने हमें सबका नाम दिया, जंगे बाबा के सपने पूरे किए, मंगल पे तिरंगा फहरा दिए। है सलाम तुझे इसरो, है सलाम तुझे इसरो, इसरो 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 हर देश में गूंज रहा, नए कीर्तिमान महाशक्तिमान भारत को बना रहा। इसरो, है सलाम तुझे इसरो, है सलाम तुझे इसरो।
अरे वाह, देखा दिव्या कितना मनमोहक प्रदर्शन किया बच्चों ने। अब तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे चांद पर घर बनाने का सपना भी साकार है।
हाँ, सच कहा तुमने छवि। भारत तो हर क्षेत्र में निरंतर बुलंदियों को छूता जा रहा है।
दिव्या, क्या तुम जानती हो पिछले वर्ष 2023 में एशियन गेम्स में भारत ने कुल 107 पदक जीते और एशियन पैरा गेम्स में कुल 111 पदक जीतकर अब तक का सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन किया है।
हाँ बिल्कुल छवि, भारत का तो खेलों में वर्चस्व बढ़ता ही जा रहा है।
इसीलिए तो हमारा नारा है,
जब खेलेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया।
He's the highest run scorer of all the time. He's a Superman for India, god of the cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, he got it right. After stacking all of the countries, India finally lifted the World Cup after 24 years in the captainship of MS Dhoni. It's a gold for Geeta. भारत की खिलाड़ी गीता कुमारी फोगाट ने गो कर दिखाया जिसकी किसी को उम्मीद भी नहीं थी। कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स रेसलिंग में गोल्ड जीतने वाली पहली भारतीय महिला। और लाइन क्रॉस करने के बाद मिल्खा सिंह ने एशियन गेम्स में स्वर्ण पदक हथेली में थाम कर इतिहास रचा। ध्यानचंद भारतीय फील्ड हॉकी के सर्वश्रेष्ठ खिलाड़ी बहुत कप्तान थे। उनके नेतृत्व में भारतीय टीम ने ओलंपिक्स में 3 बार स्वर्ण पदक जीते। ओलंपिक्स के इतिहास में बैडमिंटन के फाइनल में पहुंचने वाली पहली भारतीय महिला खिलाड़ी पीवी सिंधु व पुरुष खिलाड़ी लक्ष्य सेन ने स्वर्ण पदक जिताकर भारत के लिए अत्यंत गर्व का मौका। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इंडियाज लेजेंडरी बॉक्सर्स अमित पंघल एंड नीरज गोयल। जैवलिन थ्रो में भारत की नीरज चोपड़ा ने ओलंपिक्स में स्वर्ण पदक अपने नाम किया। ये है हमारे भारत के सर्वश्रेष्ठ बास्केटबॉल खिलाड़ी रसप्रीत सिद्धू, ध्रुव सुशील, विक्रमजीत सिंह तथा शीतल देवी भारतीय पैरा गेंदबाज हैं जिन्होंने एशियन खेलों में 2 स्वर्ण पदक जीते व अर्जुन पुरस्कार से सम्मानित। अमरी लिखारा पैरा राइफल शूटर है जिन्होंने पैरा ओलंपिक्स तथा एशियन खेलों में स्वर्ण पदक जीते। Sakshi Kali won 3 medals in Indian Paralympic Championship. पूरे विश्व में भारत का नाम रोशन करने वाले इन सभी खिलाड़ियों पर हमें गर्व है। जय हिंद।
Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today, it's important to take a moment to reflect on and appreciate the incredible development our beloved country, India, has made.
From advancements in technology and education to improvements in infrastructure and healthcare, India's journey has been remarkable.
We owe our thanks to the visionaries, the leaders, the countless unsung heroes, and every citizen who has contributed to the nation's development.
So let's take this moment to express our heartfelt gratitude for the progress we have witnessed and to renew our dedication to the ongoing development of our great nation.
ये सजता संवरता निखरता ये देश जैसे कोई दुल्हन बदलती हो पेश। ये वादे इरादे कसम ये नहीं, ये मेहनत मशक्कत ये खुद पे यकीन, यही है सुनहरा सा भारत। हवा में हुनर है, फिजा में महारत, जमीन को फलक को हुआ तब्दुमान, जमीन को फलक को हुआ तब्दुमान। लिखा चांद पे हमने जय हिंदुस्तान, लिखा चांद पे हमने जय हिंदुस्तान।
जागोगे अब तीन रंग से सजा है ये आसमां।
conclusion of this momentous event, it is essential to reflect on the theme that has guided us today, Pragati Parv, India's flight to infinity. We have journeyed through discussions, presentations and performances that have illustrated the immense strides our nation has taken.
Country's progression is not just measured by GDP growth or infrastructural development, but by the empowerment of its people. The stories of innovation from our youth, the resilience of our farmers, the dedication of our educators, and the vision of our leaders all point towards a picture of a nation striving for excellence and equity.
As we conclude our cultural program, let us carry forward the inspiration and insights we have gained. Let us pledge to work together towards a brighter and more progressive India. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me to welcome our school chorus singing Vande Mataram.
पिछली बार टीवी लगा था बड़ा साइड टीवी लग रहा था देखने के लिए बहुत दिख रहा था टीवी में देखा
Major Uday Singh to accept this painting on his behalf as a token of gratitude and respect. May I now request our honorable guest of honor, Mrs. Mona Singh and Yashwardhan, to present the portrait to Dr. Anand Sethi.
May it serve as a reminder of the sacrifices made by heroes like Major Uday Singh and inspire us all to strive for the values they uphold. Thank you, Dr. Anand Sethi.
Now, let's begin with the Academic Excellence Awards. From class 5th, we have Arnav Singh with 98.3% marks.